So I know it's been a while, but you know, it had to break down coming out of mom, and had to put another, you know, more money into it, and you know, it's much happier now. Well, got some more stuff to do. I'll show you after. As you can see, the project for today is the hood insulator, since I had mice under the hood when I first started working on it, so fixing that. So after a little bit of work and a little help from James, it's all done. And as you can see, both lights are working. So the underhood light, and then this light here, you flip this switch and you can pull it out, and it's on a cord. Isn't that cool? And then you can just wind it back to get it back in there. And that locks it. And that locks it in place. And then I just turn the switch off. So, all done. Looks good. Thank you, James, for helping me. And then we armor all the underside of the hood so that all looks good.